Hello and welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is going to be about this Danco Fitzmos hair catcher for showers. So when you open up the cover, this is what you have. This one's a chrome finish. They do have this in white. It comes with two extra hair catching baskets. And this cover is already connected to one of your baskets. To release this cover, you're going to need a flathead. Just place the flathead on the edge and pull. It's a little difficult, but it's doable. So you take your flathead, put it on the edge and pull like so. And to put it back on, basically just press. That's it. That's how you replace your baskets. And for your ring, you have 4 locking tabs. So basically, you just put it in place and press down and it should snap in place. Just like so. Take your basket with the cover. And that's it. Got your hair catcher. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped someone out there. I'll leave a link in the description on where to purchase these extra baskets. Thank you for watching Handyman Land. Have a good one.